You can pick this up.
Yeah. Back up and shoot, okay?
You're good.
That's fine. Go around.
That's 163.97 on the defense with that high area.
You got it. Come back and shoot, okay? Go. There you go. Beautiful.
There's a bunch of notes here.
Got it. Damn. There's a note right behind you to find them, okay?
I don't see anything.
Go get another one. Beautiful, big up. Come on back. Amp that one and keep this one here for shooting, okay?
There's two.
Good, you got it? They got you, foul. Good.
It's too low. Come over.
Back up, try again. There, beautiful.
Hey, this one. Amp.
Yeah, I'm running out.
Get two notes.
Don't touch them, okay?
Okay.
They're playing that, you're gonna get a foul.
Do I have one? Oh, I can't see. I have it.
What is the control? Amp. There's a note here. Come subwoofer.
You're good.
Don't touch them. The boiler stage.
Take your time.
You're good.